Hello, I'm David Thawley, and along with my wife Julie, we have been assisting our clients for over 30 years in the area of financial services. Today I want to talk to you about an amazing product called Living Benefits. Living Benefits are a part of a new modern type of life insurance policy. Now, when most people think of life insurance, what they think of is a product that is going to pay money to someone when someone else dies. And that's the way life insurance has been for as long as most of us have been alive. But with Living Benefits, what we're going to talk about is we want to ask people, why do you buy life insurance? When we ask that question to people, most people answer they buy it for the protection of their family, for the security of their family. What we want to talk to you about today with Living Benefits is not what if you die, but what if you live. So we're going to spend a few moments talking about how to understand the power of Living Benefits and how they can protect your family's future. There are three types of living benefits: critical illness, chronic illness, and terminal illness. Now, as I mentioned, these benefits are part of a new, modern type of life insurance. These benefits are automatically included in every policy that we market. That means there's no separate qualification for them. As long as you qualify for the new policy, you automatically receive these living benefits. And then very attractively, they come at no additional premium. What that simply means is that the life insurance company is not going to charge you anything extra over and above the normal cost of the life insurance. So let's take a look at critical illness first. We see here a list of illnesses that the life insurance companies have defined as a critical illness. These are certainly serious illnesses. None of us would want to suffer these illnesses. We certainly wouldn't want to have anyone in our family or our dear friends suffer these illnesses. But we all know people who suffer these illnesses almost literally every day. So how does it work? Well, assume you own a policy, one of these new policies that includes living benefits, and then unexpectedly you are diagnosed with some form of cancer. You're looking at a health crisis. You may be looking at chemotherapy, radiation, maybe even surgery. Well, the good news is that modern medicine is keeping more of us alive. But the reality of that is that modern medicine is also expensive. Even with health insurance, we're looking at excessive medical expenses that we will probably have to pay. And the question we ask people is, how are you going to pay those? Are you going to have to drain your life savings away, maybe tap into your retirement account, or maybe even file bankruptcy? Well, with this policy, we now have another alternative. We're going to contact the insurance company and file a claim. They're going to get your medical records, interview your doctor, and once they have verified that you have cancer, they can approve that claim. And then the life insurance company is going to write you a check. Where is that money coming from? Well, it's coming from your life insurance policy. What this product now allows us to do is to accelerate the payment of a portion of our life insurance proceeds before our death. For the first time in our lives, we have the opportunity to receive money from our life insurance policy without having to die. Three things about that check. One, it's payable to you. Two, you never have to pay it back. And three, in most cases, it's income tax free. People often ask, well, how much money will I receive? And that's based on various factors such as your age, the severity of the illness, and the face amount of coverage that you carry. I'd like to tell you a true story of a friend of ours by the name of Johnny. Johnny obtained a $500,000 life insurance policy with us that contained these living benefits. And then unexpectedly, just 8 months later, he was diagnosed with stomach cancer. He could no longer work. He could no longer support his family. He was facing a health crisis and a financial crisis at the same time. But he had the opportunity, because of this policy, to file a claim with the insurance company. And after they verified his cancer and approved that claim, they wrote him a check for over $344,000. Think about that. The policy had only been enforced for 8 months. This was money that when it came into his home now allowed him to pay for his medical treatments, to support his family, make his mortgage payment, buy food, do the things that were most important to protect his family. This living benefit check saved Johnny's family from financial devastation. This is what I mean when I'm talking about new modern life insurance, real life insurance in action. The second benefit is chronic illness. Chronic illness is based on something called daily living activities. These are things that we as human beings do every day. There are 6 of them: bathing, dressing, toileting, transportation, continence, and eating. Well, if we become sick or injured to a degree that we're not totally able to take care of ourselves, in other words, we need assisted care. That could be a nurse coming into your home, an assisted care facility, maybe even having to go into a nursing home. Well, those type of assisted services can be expensive, and usually they're ongoing from month to month to month. Well, again, we can go to the life insurance company, and if we are unable to perform just any 2 of these 6 daily living activities, we can file a claim. And after they process and approve that, the life insurance company is again going to write us a check. But this time what they're going to do is they're going to send us a check every month. They will make a monthly payment to us every month for up to a maximum of 50 months. So every month when the bill comes in for that assisted care, we have a check coming in from the life insurance company to help us pay for that. The third benefit is terminal illness. This is somewhat self-descriptive. If we're diagnosed with a terminal illness with a life expectancy of less than 24 months, again, we can turn to our life insurance company and file a claim. And after they process that and approve it, same thing, they're now going to write us a check. Again, we get to accelerate the payment of a portion of our life insurance proceeds before our death. So when we file that claim, what are we going to do with the money? One of the nice things with the life insurance company sends us a check, we can use those funds for anything we want to do. Some examples might be that we want to pay our medical expenses. Maybe we want to seek alternative treatment. Maybe something that will prolong our life. Maybe even cure us from the illness. Others might say, hey, I want to live life to the fullest. I'm going to go out and play. I'm going to do the things that are important to me. I'm going to put together a bucket list of things that I want to accomplish before I die. Some other people, more practically, might want to pay off their home and want to leave their home free and clear for their family. Other people with children, grandchildren, maybe want to set up a college fund. The point is that you can use this money for anything you want to do. I want to tell you another true story about a friend of ours named Cora. Cora obtained a new $500,000 life insurance policy that contained these living benefits. And then tragically, just 1 year later, she was diagnosed with terminal throat cancer. Cora decided to file a claim with the life insurance company, and after they processed that and approved that, the life insurance company wrote her a check for over $380,000. Now, what Cora that was most important to her were her 2 daughters. And so what she did with that money is she turned around and purchased a home for them, all cash, so that she knew that when she wasn't going to be around, that her daughter would always have a home to live in. And then just 1 short month later, Cora passed away. The thing to understand here is that we now have options and choices never available to us before to protect our family's well-being. So where do we find these living benefits? Well, we offer them in 3 forms of coverage. The first is a product called Indexed Universal Life Insurance. This is a product that I will simply tell you with over 30 years experience is one of the finest financial products available in the marketplace today. It does multiple things at the same time. It's a product that is first life insurance. It's what we call permanent life insurance in that it can provide us coverage all the way up to the age of 121 years old. It now includes these living benefits that I've just explained to you. And this product is also a vehicle that allows us to save for our future, to build cash value in the policy. We can use it as a supplemental retirement plan, and it's a very attractive retirement plan because it will provide us our proceeds, our funds someday, in a tax-free manner if structured properly. The second product is a product most people have heard of, term life insurance. Term life insurance is the lowest cost life insurance available in the marketplace. That's because we're not going to be building any cash value. We're just going to pay for the pure life insurance. But the good news is this now also includes these living benefits. Now, one thing about this product is that it will only stay in force up to a maximum age of 85. That means it's not really a permanent policy, and people are asking us all the time, what if I live to be 86 years old? Well, the answer to that is then you would pass away without life insurance coverage. The third product is a product called Guarantee Universal Life. Many people haven't heard of this product, but it does some amazing things. This product is somewhat of a mixture, a hybrid of the previous two, in that it is first universal life insurance. It's permanent insurance that can stay in force to age 121. So whether we live to be 70, 80, 90, 100 years old, as long as we pay our premiums, this policy will stay in force. But kind of like the term insurance, it doesn't have cash value growth, which allow us to have a little lower premiums than the index universal life. But it also contains these miraculous and amazing living benefits. And this product also comes with a lifestyle income rider, which is a fourth type of living benefit. As you get older, will create the opportunity, if you so choose, to actually start receiving a portion of your life insurance proceeds as an income, even if you don't get sick. All you have to do is get a little bit older. So 3 amazing products that we can now go to provide you these amazing living benefits. Get back together with the agent that referred you to this video, sit down with them and let them show you how they can provide you with living benefits that is going to protect your family's well-being. Thank you.